Got a layover in Frankfurt? You're at one of Europe's best hubs for quick city access. Whether you have 4 hours or 16, here's your plan for FRA. Getting around from FRA is easy. The S-Bahn takes you to the city in 20 minutes for about €5. Or grab a rideshare for about 25 to 35 euros in 25 minutes. Let's build your itinerary. With just 4 hours, you'll stay at the airport, but Frankfurt makes it worth it. Start by clearing customs and grabbing your bags. Next, head to the Zen Gardens in Terminal 3 for 45 minutes of peaceful decompression. After that, grab a meal at one of the airport's restaurants. Budget about €18 for a solid bite. Then freshen up with a shower for €15, including towels and toiletries. Finally, make your way to your departure gate with plenty of time to spare. Got 8 hours? Now you can experience the city on this Frankfurt layover. After clearing customs, hop on the S-Bahn to Frankfurt's city center. From there, start at Römerberg Square, the medieval heart of the Altstadt, spending about 45 minutes exploring the historic buildings. Next, walk to the nearby Eiserner Steg Bridge for iconic main river views. Then grab lunch at a traditional beer hall for authentic German cuisine, budget around €19. After that, take the S-Bahn back to the airport and head through security to your gate. 16 hours? That's a full day in Frankfurt. Start by clearing customs, then take the S-Bahn into the city. Begin at Römerberg Square to soak in the medieval atmosphere. Next, cross the Eiserner Steg Bridge for stunning river views. Then visit Frankfurt Cathedral for 45 minutes of Gothic architecture. After that, enjoy lunch at a traditional German restaurant. From there, explore the Palmengarten Botanical Gardens for 90 minutes of nature. Next, grab dinner at another local spot, maybe trying Apfelwein, Frankfurt's signature apple wine. Then take a leisurely evening walk along the main river before catching the S-Bahn back to the airport for your departure. Budget breakdown. 4 hours costs about $36, staying airport only. 8 hours runs around $50 with a quick city visit. And the full 16-hour day comes to about $75 with meals, attractions, and transit. A few tips. First, the S-Bahn station is in Terminal 1, so take the free Skyline train if you land at Terminal 2. Second, store luggage at the airport or use services like Bounce for better rates in the city. Third, Frankfurt's Altstadt is super walkable, so comfortable shoes are a must for maximizing your layover at Frankfurt Airport. Planning a Frankfurt layover? Full guide with visa info, maps, and insider tips at yopki.com. Link below.